In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Gemini, upload a photo, and describe the changes you want so the tool can create an edited version for you. First, open Gemini. You can use the Gemini app on your phone or go to gemini.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your session works correctly. If you're on your phone, launch the app and open a new chat. If you're on desktop, open the site and you'll see the chat box ready to go. A quick tip here. If you have multiple Google accounts, confirm you're in the one you plan to use and ensure you have a stable internet connection for smoother uploads and faster results. Next, upload the image you want to edit. In the chat window, tap or click the plus button. You'll see an option like Upload Image. On some devices, it may say Photos or Files. Choose that, then browse to the photo you want to work on. After you select it, the image will appear directly in the chat. If your device asks for permission to access photos or files, allow it so you can attach the picture. Clear, high-resolution images generally lead to better edits, so pick the best version you have. Now, tell Gemini what to change. Once the image is visible in the chat, type your instruction in plain language and send it. You can say things like, change the background to a beach sunset. Remove the person standing in the background, add sunglasses to the person's face, or make the sky more dramatic and colorful. The more specific you are, the better. Mention details such as colors, mood, or placement, like make the background a soft pastel beach sunset with warm oranges and pinks, or add round black sunglasses centered on the person's face. You can also combine simple edits in one request if they naturally go together. After you send your instruction, Gemini will generate the edited version and display it in the chat. If the result isn't quite what you pictured, refine your prompt by clarifying the style, brightness, or any elements you want emphasized or removed, and send it again. That's it. Open Gemini, upload your image, and clearly describe your edits. With just those steps, you can quickly transform photos using straightforward, natural instructions.